Today in this video we'll learn how to find out the area between the two concentric circles. Suppose this is a circle and this is also a circle. These two circles having the same center. So what is the area enclosed by between these two circles? How to find out the area of this part? So there are the two circles having the same center. So this is the inner circle, let its radius be r, and this is the outer circle, its radius be capital R. So now area enclosed between two concentric circles, if we have to find, then what we'll do, first we'll be finding out the area of the bigger circle. So area of the bigger circle will be pi r square, capital R. If we take r is the radius of the outer circle here, minus area of this inner circle. That means area of the outer circle minus area of the inner circle. So area enclosed between these two concentric circles we can find like this. So pi r square minus pi of small r square. This can be simplified. Pi if you take common, so it will become r square minus r square. And this can also be written as pi r plus r into r minus r. Based on the formula a square minus b square into equals to a square plus b square, a plus b into a minus b. So here the question number 11a is saying, in the figure 1 given below, the area enclosed between the concentric circles is equals to 770 centimeters square. This means the shaded region, that is area is given 770 centimeters square. Given that the radius of the outer circle is 21 centimeter. This circle, the outer circle having the radius 21 centimeter, calculate the radius of the inner circle. So this is the diagram. So area between the two concentric circles is given 770 as per the question, and capital R, the radius of the outer circle we have taken as 21 centimeter. It's given in the question. Now area between the concentric circles is given 770. This part, this area is given 770. So we can write this whole area. It's given 770. So we can write pi r square minus pi r square. That means the area of the outer circle, this is area is having capital pi r square and this small is pi r square. So their area, the difference of their area. So pi r square minus pi r square equals to 770. Now pi you take common. So r square minus r square is equals to 770. Now pi's value is 22 by 7. Radius is given here 21 square minus small r square equals to 770. So if we do the calculation, so if 11 2s are 22 and this is 11 7s are 77 and 0. Again it can cancel 235 times. So this is 21 squares means it's 441 minus r square is equals to 35 into 7. So 441 minus r square equals to 245. So r square is equals to 441 minus 245. So r square will be equals to, their difference is 196. So r will be equals to root under 196, that is r equals to 14 centimeter will be the answer. So the radius of the inner circle is 14 centimeter. Now the question number B is saying, in the figure 2 given below, the area enclosed between the circumference of the two concentric circle is 346.5 centimeters square. So area between the circumference of the two concentric circles, means this part's area is given 346.5 centimeter square, and the circumference of the inner circle is given 88 centimeter. The directly radius not given, but the circumference of the inner circle is given 88 centimeter. Calculate the radius of the outer circle. So here, as per the question, let the radius of the inner circle be small r and outer circle be capital R. So in the question only it's given the area enclosed between the circumference of the two concentric circles is given 346.5. So it's pi into, again we have taken pi common, so r square minus r square equals to 346.5. But one more data is given कि the circumference of the inner circle is 88. So we can write 2 pi of small r equals to 88. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r equals to 88. Now 22 4 times 88 and 2 2s are 4. So r will be equals to 2 into 7, that is 14 centimeter. So this value of r can be put here. So pi of capital R square minus small r we got 14. So 14 square equals to 346.5. Now 22 by 7 into r square minus 196 equals to 346.5. Now just remove the decimal here. So it is 10 here. Now we can cancel. So 11 2s are 22. And here if it is cancelled, 11 3s are 33. 1 6 11 1 11, 11 5s are 55, 315. Now it can also be cancelled. 5 2s are 10, and here 5 6s are 30, 5 3s are 15. So what we are getting here, it's 2 by 7 into r square minus 196 equals to 63 by 2. So we cannot cancel it anymore. So here r square minus 196 is equals to 63 by 2 into 7 by 2. So r square is equals to, this is 196 plus, this is 7 3s are 21, carry 2, and 7 6 are 42 plus 2 441 by. So we will get 196 plus, this is 7 3s are 21, carry 2, 7 6 are 7 6 are 42 plus 2, that is 441 divided by 4. So r square will be equals to this value. Now take the LCM, it's 4. So if it is simplified, we'll get it at 784 plus 441. So after further simplification, we'll get it as r square equals to 1225 by 4. So r will be equals to root under 1225 by 4. So after the root, if it is taken out from the root, so we'll get it as 35 by 2. And 35 by 2 means it's 17.5 centimeter. So the radius of the outer circle will be 17.5 centimeter. Is the answer. The question number 12 is saying a road 3.5 meter wide surrounds a circular plot whose circumference is 44 meter. That means suppose this is a circular road whose circumference is 44 meter. This circumference is 44 meter. And a road 3.5 meter wide surrounds it. So this is a road. And this width of this road is given 3.5 meter. So this is a circular road which is surrounding the plot. So if this is a circular plot, it is having the center and its circumference is given 44 meter. So let the radius of the inner circle be small r and the circumference of the the radius of the outer circle is capital R. So here the circumference, that is 2 pi r, is given 44 meter. The circumference of the circular plot, that means the circumference of the inner circle is given here. You have to find the cost of paving the road at rupees 50 per meter square. But before finding it, we have to find the area of the road. So since 2 pi r is given 44, so we can write 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equals to 44. Now it's 22 2s are 44 and this is cancelled, it's 1. So radius is 7 centimeter. So small r we got. Now we can also get the capital R, because its thickness is the width of the road is given here. So capital R is small r plus 3.5, that is 7 plus 3.5. So it is 10.5 centimeter. Now area of road if we have to find, then it is pi of capital R square minus small r square. So we have to do more step for the ease of calculation. It's r plus r into r minus r. A square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. So pi is 22 by 7. Capital R we have 10.5. Small r is 7. And here 10.5 minus 7. So it's 22 by 7 into, it's 17.5 into, it's 3.5 if the difference is calculated. So this is 10. Now 7 5s are 35 and 5 2s are 10 and 2 11s are 22. So if we have to multiply, we will get it as 11 5s are 55, carry 5, it's 2 here, it's 192.5 centimeter square. Now this is the area of road we got. Now we also have to find out the cost of paving the road. So cost of paving will be rupees 50 plus 192.5. So decimal is removed, so zeros are cancelled. So we will get it's rupees 9,625 is the answer.